following is a technical and update on the US dollar index futures displayed throughout the daily interval, in which DXY has now taken out and broken below key 618 fibs price resistance, call it the 106.03 handle, and that was a multi-year major reactionary high and low price support level that long traders and or levered bull traders of the DXY dollar index would need to defend heavily at all cost. And that has taken out, and it has resulted in an accelerated downward spiral off the undercut of its neckline. Call it a head and shoulder classic looking top. I wish I had caught this before it panned out. That was a beautiful breakdown sell signal, took that key inflection point out, call it a multi-year price support level there, and it was followed through with vicious selling to the downside. And the momentum indicators are now confirming the bearish bias that is being displayed here. You have RSI sold it deep in oversold territory, which could suggest a potential bounce, but no confirmation yet. And if and when the relative strength index begins crashing below the 25 handle, it could signal further downside momentum. The MACD is crossing lower and is deeply bearish. The histogram handle expanding negatively below the zero line threshold in a very quick and aggressive way, with no signs of momentum slowing down, with bearish pressure just remaining intact there. Long traders, bull traders need to hold the 382 fibs retracement really at all costs to avert the next major level, the historical support of the 105, called the 105 price support level. And this would be really the gears in for a risk reward ratio long trade setup, short-term setup to the upside for a bounce for any active and or near-term traders holding in on some stops below that previous low there. But that would be an aggressive long trade entry. In my opinion, the bearish tilt and bias leans heavily to the bearish side as mounting fiscal deficits collide, just as inflation expectations begin to tick higher. And in the ultra near term, that trust is everything.